Mmm. Chocolate. Hey, why don't we talk about food today? It sounds tasty, doesn't it? What do we have here? Let's name the food. Apples, bananas, pizza, cake. Now your turn. Why don't you try and name the food? Apples, bananas. Good job. Pizza and cake. Excellent. Why don't we find out what food you like and don't like? Let's go. Like. Don't like. Ugh. Why don't we check out some food? Pizza. I like pizza. Bananas. I don't like bananas. Cake. I like cake. Chocolate cake. Apples? I don't like apples. Do you want to try? Let's go. Pizza. I don't like pizza. Apples. I like apples. Good job. Bananas. I don't like bananas. And the last one, cake. I like cake. Excellent. All this talking about food really made me hungry. I think we need to get some pizza. Look, pizza. Bon appetit.